This is part 2 of the Chapter 18 test read aloud. Question 26. What year did the U.S. troops pull out of Vietnam? Was that in 1973 or 1975? 27. When did the fighting in Vietnam finally end? 1973 or 1975? 28. What Cambodian leader unleashed a reign of terror on his people that killed at least 1 million people? Was that Pol Pot or was that Mao Zedong? 29. This U.S. president finally ended the U.S. involvement in Vietnam. Was that President Johnson or President Nixon? 30. It was thought that if either the U.S. or the USSR used their nuclear missiles, that the countries would both be destroyed. What acronym is used to describe this? So which of these sets of letters represents what would happen if they both used their missiles? Was it SAD or MAD? 31. How did Martin Luther King Jr. attempt to win equality for African Americans? Did he use violent revolt or did he use civil disobedience? 32. What Middle Eastern country did the U.S. give aid to in 1979 to assist them in fighting the USSR? Was it Iraq or was it Afghanistan? 33. What Eastern European nation tried to break free of Soviet control in 1956 but was unsuccessful? Was that Hungary or was that East Germany? 34. What area did the U.S. recognize as the official China until 1971? Was this Taiwan or was this Hong Kong? And then 35, for the following countries, identify whether they are or were communist or democratic. So was North Korea communist or democracy? Is Vietnam communist or democracy? Is Cuba communist or democracy? West Germany, communist, democracy. East Germany, communist, democracy. South Korea, communist, democracy. China, communist, democracy. France, communist, democracy.